partners of the network?
Did she just cough at you? Did she just cough at you?
Who you coughing at? Oh shit. Who you coughing at?
She pulled out the COVID gun.
When I was talking, she started coughing. Bitch, like I'm some type of fucking germ. Bitch, I know you ain't coughing at me, ho. Pussy ass bitch, you can't be coughing at me, disrespectful ass bitch.
Running around.
Homeless asshole. Who you coughing at? Who you coughing at? I know you ain't coughing at me.
Like, damn, is that serious right now?
I know you ain't coughing at me.
We do not play that.
Note to self, never cough when Jocelyn's talking to you.
About the strain.
You think I'm trying to play with? You can cough at me when I'm telling you something?
I was choking on water.
Okay. You better be choking on water.